Hello everyone, I will take a subject C programming. Let us see what is C programming. C programming is a programming language. It is a high level programming language. It developed at the Bell Laboratory of USA in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie. C is a programming language. It was developed at Bell Laboratory of USA in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie was developed the C programming in 1972. In your C programming language, it is a high level programming language. It is a high level programming language. We can use the C programming BPCL language we can use. BPCL means beginners combined programming language. Beginners combined programming language. In your C programming language, we can use the ANSI method. ANSI method also we can use. ANSI. ANSI means American National Standard Institution. American National Standard Institute we can use in a C programming language. In your any programming language, we can divide it into two categories. Any programming language, we can divide it into two categories. We can divide it into two categories. First one is the problem oriented. And second one is machine oriented. In our problem oriented, we can call it as a high level language. We can call it as a high level language. Machine oriented, we can call it as a low level language. We can call it as a low level language. In your C programming, whatever the program we can return in a high level language, it will be converted into machine level language. It means we can use to write the program in sometime we can use the alphabets, digits and special symbols we can use to write the program in a C programming. This one also converting into machine language. Machine language means it will be converted into 0 and 1 format or binary format. It will be converted. Then in your C programming language, we can we can return it into file with the execution of program. We can save it in a program. We can write the program. Afterwards, we can save the program. We can use the .c extension. We can use to save the program. We can use in your C program, we can save the program. We can use the .c extension. We can use to save the program. Example, I will example we can write a program in a C program. Afterwards, we can save the program. I will program 1.c. C is the extension of C programming language.